Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Break. We'll see box breaks for the 2014-2015 Upper Deck SP Games box break number 7. Here's the last name for auction. There's Edmonton. Focus eventually. There we go. Serial number is NE205-827-902. That's NE205-827-902. Good luck, everybody. Something thick in this pack. Start with a rookie auto for the Canucks of Bo Horvat. Got a patch 90/99 of the Stadium Series for the Kings of Jordan Nolan. Got a patch 45/99 for the Kings, Dustin Brown. So one color patch. Get a jersey from the Stadium Series for the Islanders of Matt Donovan. And then you finish off with a rookie patch, just one color, 6/99 of Tyler Witherspoon for the Flames to finish off the break. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.